Hi guys, this is an introduction to the fairy tale story generator that I found for you. If you go to the week 1 work, you can click on the link and it will take you straight to the page. Now this is just to help in reading. Now you can enter all these details to create your own fairy tale story. So if I, for example, click on Write Me a Fairy Tale, and it comes up with a completely randomized new fairy tale for you to read through at your leisure. I hope this will be useful, and you can do this multiple times with different stories.